I didn't know your name stood for Jackson Jackson. That's amazing. Ronnie K, what you got?
Amen. Criminally dancing Murlocs, putting the king of pop to shame. That was awesome, wasn't it? And I love the flash mob at the end. If you guys remember the old Michael Jackson video game when he would start to dance and the zombies would dance and they'd die at the end, that was a homage to that. I'm being taken back to 8th grade, you guys. Seriously awesome. Well, right now I've got with me 3 members